Good morning, VeChain family. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video, guys. Go ahead and do all the things that the algorithm likes for me. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you never miss a Boomin update. We're talking about VeChain today. I'd like to give a shout out to our wonderful Patreon subscribers, Catherine B, Allflare LSC, Kraken, Feruz Den, and Maryland for Crypto. Thank you so much for sponsoring the channel and being 10 toes down like always. Got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. And today we're talking about VeChain. We're kicking off a series of technology workshops and new micro grant scheme to support developers building sustainability focused dApps and tools on VeChain. The first workshop is in Jacksonville, Florida next month, June 24th through the 25th. So this is pretty cool, guys. Again, this is a workshop, ecosystem development and dApp growth. Let's see. So VeChain's technical team will host a technology workshop in Florida to educate Web3 developers. The theme of the workshop will be about building sustainability-focused decentralized applications. The intent of the workshops is to educate developers about VeChain's advanced technical features and our extensive network of reputable enterprise partners. We're harnessing the spirit of Web3 and supporting builders who want to join our mission and unlock the power of Web3 for sustainability. We're working with new collaborators, offering new micro grants, and exploring new ways to support ecosystem growth. So this is pretty cool. So through a series of educational and technical support sessions, the VeChain team will onboard developers who want to join our mission and onboard the next billion blockchain users to a world of green applications. During the 6-hour session, attendees will be educated by VeChain's technical team, brainstorm ideas, and when it's all said and done, enjoy post-workshop social events. To encourage developers to build out their ideas, we're launching a new micro kickoff grant scheme specifically for technology workshops. We want to support builders who are serious about taking their vision to the next level. Each tech workshop attendee is eligible for the micro kickoff grant. Proposals that align with VeChain's vision will be more favorably considered for a VET denominated funding. So this is pretty cool. Yet another way to help support the VeChain ecosystem and get your ideas seen by the VeChain team, and another way to earn some money while doing it. So again, technology workshop will be next month. Well, here it says June, but here it says May. I think it's June. I think it's June. Yeah, I think it's June. Let's see. Yep, June 24th through the 25th. All right, guys. So there you go. Let's go ahead and move on. We got Fidgetals here. Thank you to Eisenreich for posting this. Thanks to VeChain's collaboration with EX Plus and World of E, you can now purchase anything from sports memorabilia to training sessions with your favorite EX Plus athletes. So this is pretty cool. Let's take a look. Sorry for the sniffles, guys. The air quality where I live is not the greatest right now. Got a lot of wildfires, so here you go. Video call with Flava Penatera. Video call with Luigi Datome, and a video call with Simone Ganelli. So there you go. That's actually pretty cool, guys. You could buy their art. Got some sports people here. Let's take a look at all the celebrities. Some of you guys, I don't know any of these people, but some of you guys who aren't, dumb Americans like me would probably know these people here. So that's pretty cool. Take a look at some of the digital art. Not bad. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on. And finally, inviting all regenerative economy projects to look at VeChain Official as their layer 1 of choice. Low carbon green infrastructure, zero outages, visibility of carbon emissions on a smart contract level, And it's not all about the environmental impact. VeChain's mission is a blockchain for a better world. We know Web3 is the right tool to build more equitable society. We have startup grants and the right enterprises. Looking forward to helping projects like you. And here we go. Here's the Refi Summit, sharing updates on how VeChain is leveraging the concept of regenerative finance, sustainable development, and blockchain biospheres approach, co-developed and spearheaded by ESG leaders BCG. So there you go. Here's the Refi Summit. They're there now, May 24th to the 25th. And yeah. Alright guys, that's all the news for today. Thank you to our wonderful Patreon subscribers again. Catherine B, Offla LLC, Kraken, Feruz Dead, and Maryland for crypto. Go ahead and join the Patreon army, guys. I really appreciate it. 339 days left to the next Bitcoin block halving, and taking a look at the markets here. To really just shake a stick at. Crypto's been kind of boring, to be honest. But I guess that's better than it crashing and dumping all the way down. Although another dip might not be the worst thing in the world, especially Cardano. Cardano dips down just a little bit lower so I can pick up some more coins on the cheap. But other than that, guys, keep chopping wood. I love you guys. Join the Patreon army, and I'll talk to you guys soon with the Cardano updates. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.